Starting an LLC for affiliate marketing can be a smart move for those looking to establish a legitimate business entity and protect their personal assets. This guide will provide step-by-step instructions for starting an LLC for affiliate marketing. What is an LLC? A limited liability company, LLC, is a type of business entity that combines the liability protection of a corporation with the tax benefits of a partnership. LLCs are popular among small business owners due to their flexibility and ease of setup. Let's discuss the benefits of creating an LLC for affiliate marketing. 1. Liability protection. By forming an LLC, your personal assets are shielded from business liabilities. If someone were to sue your LLC, they could only pursue the LLC's assets, not your personal assets like your home or personal bank accounts. 2. Tax benefits. LLCs have a pass-through tax structure, meaning that the business itself does not pay taxes. Instead, profits and losses are passed through to the individual members of the LLC, who report them on their personal tax returns. 3. Credibility. Operating as an LLC can add legitimacy to your affiliate marketing business and may make it easier to work with affiliate networks or companies. If you are interested in starting an LLC for affiliate marketing, the following guide will provide you with step-by-step instructions on how to do so. Step 1. Choose a name for your LLC. Before you can form an LLC, you need to choose a name for your business. The name should be unique and not already in use by another LLC in your state. Check with your state's Secretary of State office to make sure your chosen name is available. Step 2. Register your LLC. Once you have a name for your LLC, you'll need to register it with your state's Secretary of State office. Each state has different requirements, but typically you'll need to file articles of organization and pay a filing fee. Some states may also require a publication notice, which means you'll need to publish your LLC's formation in a local newspaper. Step 3. Obtain an EIN. An Employer Identification Number, EIN, is a unique identifier assigned by the IRS to your business for tax purposes. You'll need an EIN to open a business bank account and file taxes for your LLC. You can apply for an EIN online through the IRS website. Step 4. Draft an operating agreement. An operating agreement is a document that outlines the ownership and management structure of your LLC. While not required by all states, having an operating agreement can help prevent disputes among LLC members and provide clarity on how the business will be run. You can draft an operating agreement yourself or consult with a lawyer to ensure it meets your state's requirements. Step 5. Open a business bank account. Once your LLC is registered and has an EIN, you can open a business bank account. This will keep your personal and business finances separate and make it easier to track expenses and income for tax purposes. Step 6. Obtain licenses and permits. Depending on the type of affiliate marketing you'll be doing, you may need to obtain certain licenses or permits. Check with your state and local government to see if any specific licenses or permits are required for your industry. Step 7. Obtain business insurance. While not required, it's a good idea to obtain business insurance to protect your LLC from potential liability. There are several types of business insurance to consider, such as general liability insurance or professional liability insurance. Step 8. Start affiliate marketing. With your LLC established and all necessary paperwork completed, you can start affiliate marketing. Choose products or services you believe in and promote them through your unique affiliate link. Be sure to track your income and expenses and file taxes accordingly. In conclusion, starting an LLC for affiliate marketing can be a smart move for those looking to establish a legitimate business entity and protect their personal assets. While starting an LLC for affiliate marketing does require some effort and investment, it can offer several benefits in the long run. By establishing a legitimate business entity, you can protect your personal assets, improve credibility, and potentially save on taxes. Remember, starting an LLC is just the first step. To be successful in affiliate marketing, You'll need to put in the time and effort to build a strong online presence and promote products or services that you believe in. With hard work and dedication, you can build a successful affiliate marketing business as an LLC owner. If you are confused or consider these steps to be difficult, you can employ a professional formation service to file your LLC. InkFile is an amazing company that will guide you through creating your LLC. They even have a service where they will file your LLC for you without you going through any hassle. Watch the rest of the video, where I will show you how to form an LLC in under 5 minutes through InkFile. InkFile is one of the best companies out there to help you form your LLC. You can click on the link in the description to get access to this deal. InkFile is one of a kind as it offers a free package with services such as preparing and filing your articles of organization. Well, you still have to pay $237 for the state fees, which you would have to do anyway if you chose the DIY option. But looking at the bigger picture, all other companies will still charge their service fee on top of state filing fees. InkFile does not collect this fee. This plan already includes a free registered agent for your first year of subscription, and $119 annually moving forward if you decide to continue the service after the first year. InkFile's next packages are the Gold and Platinum packages, which both have package fees, already on top of the $237 state fee. Each package has its own set of services which are all worthy of the subscription you are paying for. The Gold package offers you the benefits of filing reports and taxes for your LLC. Every year, USA LLCs are required to file a state annual report. This report is essentially an information update of your file so that the state knows who is now in charge and how to contact your company. USA LLCs are also required to file state tax returns. To make matters even more complicated, your annual report and business privilege tax share a document and are due at the same time each year. With the InkFile's Gold package, you won't have to scribble notes of these reports because InkFile will handle the whole process for you. Your Platinum package also has these services in the bag with the unique addition of expedited filing, getting a domain name, and a business email which essentially increases your LLC's credibility. InkFile also has an exclusive partnership with Bank of America so you can easily open an eligible checking account for your business. Yes, it is a must for your LLC to have a business account. Remember, an LLC has limited liability, for it is a separate entity from its members. You may forfeit your liability protections if you combine your personal and business money, and this is where the term, piercing the corporate veil, comes into play. Piercing the corporate veil is an LLC jargon that refers to the court's action to hold you as the owner or member of an LLC, personally liable for the LLC's debts or actions. Now, if you have been sued by some lawyer who sees a crack in your LLC, they might resort to piercing the corporate veil in which you are in any position defeated. This is why opening a separate bank account for your LLC is so important. Do you like the level of detail I'm providing you in my review so far? If yes, then make sure to let me know by liking my video and hitting that subscribe button for more high-quality business content.